If you want to reverse a video in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to reverse a full clip or just a section of a video using CapCut step by step. This is a really useful effect for creating smooth transitions, fun edits, dramatic moments, or social media content that stands out. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open CapCut and begin a new project. Once you're inside the editor, look at the media panel in the top left and click the import button. This lets you choose the video file you want to work with from your computer. Find the clip you want to reverse, select it, and bring it into CapCut. After your video is imported, the next step is to drag and drop the clip from the media panel down into the editing timeline. This is where you'll actually make the changes to your video. If you want to reverse the entire clip, you can do that right away, but if you only want to reverse a specific part, CapCut makes that possible too. To isolate just one section of the video, move the timeline playhead to the exact start of the scene you want to reverse. Once it's in the right spot, click the split icon on the toolbar above the timeline. If you prefer, you can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and B. That will cut the clip at the playhead position. Now move the playhead to the end of the section you want reversed and split it again. This creates a separate clip in the middle, which means only that portion will be affected. This is a great method if you want to reverse a small moment instead of the whole video. Now that your clip or section is ready, click on the specific clip in the timeline so it becomes highlighted. This tells CapCut which part you want to edit. Then look at the toolbar directly above the timeline and find the reverse icon. It usually looks like a play button or triangle inside a circular arrow. That's the button you need. Go ahead and click reverse. CapCut will start processing the clip and you'll see a reversing progress bar while it works. Depending on the length of your video, this may take a few seconds or a little longer, so just wait for it to finish. Once it's done, your clip will play backward automatically. From here, you can preview the result to make sure it looks the way you want. If the reversed section is too long or includes extra footage, just go back and adjust your split points, then reverse again. That's why isolating the exact section first is so helpful. You can also combine this effect with other CapCut edits like trimming, music, text, filters, and transitions to make the reverse clip look even more polished and creative. For example, reverse a short moment, add a beat drop, and pair it with a transition for a more professional looking edit. And that's it. You now know how to reverse a video in CapCut, whether you want to reverse the whole clip or just one section. It's a simple effect, but it can completely change the style and energy of your edit. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut tips, and check out my other editing guides for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.